heart of Ukraine lies a museum unlike any other in the world. It's a place where the pungent aroma fills the air and visitors can explore the rich history and cultural significance of one of humanity's oldest and most versatile plants, garlic. Welcome to the Ukrainian Garlic Museum, a hidden gem that attracts enthusiasts and curious minds from all over the globe. Nestled in the charming town of Chernihiv, the Garlic Museum stands as a testament to Ukraine's deep-rooted connection to this remarkable plant. The museum was established by a group of local historians and garlic aficionados who wanted to preserve and share the fascinating story of garlic, which has been an integral part of Ukrainian cuisine, medicine, and folklore for centuries. As you step inside the museum, you are greeted by a delightful array of exhibits that showcase the myriad uses and benefits of garlic. The walls are adorned with colorful posters and ancient manuscripts detailing the history of garlic cultivation in Ukraine. One of the most intriguing sections of the museum is the display of garlic varieties. Ukraine is home to an impressive range of garlic species, each with its own unique flavor, aroma, and medicinal properties. From the fiery red garlic of the Carpathian Mountains to the mild and white garlic of the southern steppes, visitors can learn about the distinctive characteristics and culinary applications of each type. The museum also features an interactive exhibit where visitors can immerse themselves in the world of garlic farming. Here, you can experience the traditional methods of planting, harvesting, and drying garlic, passed down through generations of Ukrainian farmers. This hands-on approach not only educates visitors about the agricultural techniques, but also fosters a deep appreciation for the labor and dedication involved in garlic production. One of the highlights of the museum is the culinary section, where visitors can discover the pivotal role garlic plays in Ukrainian cuisine. From hearty borscht to savory varieties, garlic is a staple ingredient that adds depth and flavor to many traditional dishes. The museum offers cooking demonstrations and workshops, allowing visitors to learn how to incorporate garlic into their own culinary creations. Additionally, the museum's gift shop offers a variety of garlic-infused products, from sauces and seasonings to garlic-themed souvenirs, making it a haven for garlic lovers. Beyond its culinary and agricultural significance, garlic holds a special place in Ukrainian folklore and traditional medicine. The museum delves into the mystical and medicinal properties attributed to garlic over the centuries.